What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, for the past few days, my audio mixer has been out. So, if you're wondering what was going on, either with the videos or the lack of videos, it's because I didn't have an audio mixer. Um, I just got one in the mail as soon as I could, as soon as I honestly realized that the audio was a problem. I was kind of putting a band-aid on it and trying to fix it really, really quickly. But to make a long story short, we have a new audio mixer here. And I want to talk to you guys about XRP for this video. Um, I see predictions out there about XRP all the time. I make predictions for XRP. I have the position. I believe in it. I'm going to hold it and going to set up my exit plan so that I can profit as I move forward, but also see the larger benefits of what it will be um, in the future. Because there's not a guarantee that everything's going to happen now, right? People thought, me included, thought that 2025 would be an amazing year for XRP. And while we weren't wrong to say that 2025 was an amazing year, it didn't hit all of the levels that we expected it to hit within those time frames, right? And even 2026 that we see now, the beginning of this year hasn't been the best. So going forward, you have to be patient. You have to give it time in order to see that growth with anything. It could be Bitcoin, it could be XRP, it could be Amazon, Tesla, or any company or cryptocurrency that's out there. You give it time, especially if it has all the connections and partnerships and use cases and stuff like that. Um, but what I want to talk to you about in this video is XRP outperforming Bitcoin. Now, I've mentioned plenty of times XRP will be worth more than Bitcoin, but there's also AI chatbots and people that are predicting this as well. So I want to talk to you about that. If you guys could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for BTCC down below at the top of the description. If you guys want to sign up using my link, all you have to do is click that link. You will get an extra deposit bonus. You can get up to 40% lower trading fees. You can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. It is a good platform, and I've been able to use it for over a year. It's been really good for definitely over a year. Now, I want to talk to you guys about a specific position, XRP, and the thought, right? The likelihood that XRP could, outperform Bitcoin, which may be a shock to a lot of Bitcoin maxis and even some people that are heavier on the biggest or the most popular, let's say, cryptocurrency, in the world. It's the largest cryptocurrency in the world right now. And I'll say right now, because I do believe XRP will be worth more and many others will have the opportunity to do so. But there's a reason why BTC is up there, right? It's been around for such a long time. It is the first and only to a lot of people. Um, it is the widely accepted and believed in when you talk about cryptocurrency. It's like Bitcoin is that, right? No one goes, oh, I'm going to start getting into cryptocurrency as a, let's say, traditionalist, and you go, I'm going to go into XRP. Maybe it's starting to change now, but before it was all about the OG, right? Bitcoin, BTC, and everything that has to offer. But XRP is definitely more than up and coming and has established itself heavy in the game. And this is why it sits where it is today. Now, it's not necessarily the highest point that it's ever been, but or even close to it. But XRP is sitting at $1.35. While a lot of people thought that XRP sitting at a 50-cent price point was a lot, or a 75-cent price point, sorry, excuse me, was a lot, or sitting at an $83 billion market cap was a lot. Sitting at $100 billion market cap, $200 billion market cap, this has experienced that level of growth. Um, and we've been able to see that as XRP holders and believers and even maxis, right? You're seeing $1.18 billion worth of volume. It is down by 49% in the last 24 hours. Volume to market cap ratio of 1.4%. Total supply of 100 billion, while seeing the circulating supply of 61.22 billion, which more can be diluted. Now, there are many people that are looking at that circulating supply and max supply and going, this is the reason why it's down, 50%, or this is the reason why it's down from the $3.65 mark down to $1.35. This is the reason. Dilution. That's not the case. With everything that XRP is going to do, everything that XRP is partnering with, when we talk about banks, we talk about cross-border payments, we talk about just the ability to become the world currency or reserve currency, in many conversations. It's out there, right? Um, that's not what we're seeing, right? A 1 billion coin supply addition is the reason why things are down by 50% or more. There's a lot of things in the market that are down. It's actually just a bearish time in the market. Now, if this is going to be the bear market, I don't believe so, but anything could happen. But everything is down. So contribute that as well, not just saying, oh, XRP is not going to be worth whatever. But this is where the patience comes into play, because even though we may see bearish activity, we know of what XRP has in store for it and what the executives and leaders have in store for it. So much so that you have AI chatbots, you have experts, you have you know professionals in the game that are saying XRP is going to be worth a lot more, right? AI XRP price prediction, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek say XRP will outperform Bitcoin in 2026. ChatGPT projects XRP at $2 to $2.50 to $3, $2.50 to $3.50 by late 2026, while capping Bitcoin at 110K or to 150K, giving XRP a slight percentage edge. DeepSeek is far more aggressive on XRP at $5 to $8, while targeting $100,000 for Bitcoin, implying XRP could outperform Bitcoin by 5 to 9x on a percentage basis. ChatGPT and DeepSeek predict XRP outperforms Bitcoin through year end because XRP's smaller market cap amplifies ETFs inflows faster. And the Clarity Act proposes federal commodity classification for XRP. So obviously, with just the tidbit information, right, we can go through all of that if you wanted to, but just understanding the basics, understanding the summary of what this is. ChatGPT is predicting that you have a $2.50 to $3.50 mark by late 2026, which would be great. It would not surpass the all-time high, while DeepSeek, in my opinion, is more aggressive, but also seems to be more on base. And the reason why it's more on base to me is because if we do see the altcoin season, typically altcoins outperform Bitcoin, right? Yes, overall, from where it was to where it is, you would expect to see Bitcoin run from that level of 17,000 that it was all the way up to 120, maybe even more than that, right? But after it sees that level of increase, typically you start to see a trickle down effect that goes into altcoins across the board. And sometimes some of the largest altcoins, like an Ethereum, like an XRP, like a BNB, and so on and so forth. So seeing DeepSeek's more aggressive level, and then also understanding that it's not getting Bitcoin up to the all-time high that it was at, it's showing that, yes, you're going to see Bitcoin growth, but you're not going to see a brand new all-time high that was created. But then understanding that XRP will create a brand new all-time high price point while surpassing that multiple times over. And that's because XRP is a major altcoin. Bitcoin is going to see probably 30%, maybe even less dominance during altcoin season. Last altcoin season, Bitcoin was at a low, I believe, of like 30 to 32% dominance, which is really low compared to where it has historically been, which you would see it at 50%, 60%, damn near 70%, where Bitcoin's controlling the entire market. We are not there anymore to where Bitcoin needs that control, or Bitcoin and the cycle really controls when altcoin season and when Bitcoin season is, right? It may control when Bitcoin season is, but it may not control as we move forward where altcoin season is, because maybe the cycle doesn't matter much to majority of people that are now holding more coins. So I think XRP, I think they're right by saying XRP will flourish more than Bitcoin, but I think it will take it a step further and will be worth more than Bitcoin during those stages. I think it will fly past the even prediction that we see for DeepSeek, but you know, that's for another conversation, I guess. But it will outperform, will be worth more than Bitcoin eventually, in my opinion, and in AI's opinion, and in many articles and stuff like that. So I want to know what you guys think about XRP and where it stands and what the progress is going to be in 2026. Are we going to see it explode? Or is it going to be another time to where we're just seeing down times of the market and it just stays flat or continues to decrease? Because if it does, there's a lot of people that are going to find a huge opportunity, and they're going to take advantage of that opportunity and capture as many coins of XRP as they can. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Let me know how the audio sounds. Hopefully it sounds okay. If not, I need to find a way maybe just to get a regular mic rather than this overhead mic here. But I wanted something that was always out of the way, that I didn't have to worry about moving in and having a microphone right in front of my face. So just let me know how that is. Also, check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.